Hello and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed, who has shown me so much support down in the comment section. I read every single comment. I tried to reply to every single comment. So if you did leave me a comment down there, hopefully you got my reply. But thanks again for all the support and all of the constructive criticism. For my first video, I am definitely going to take you guys' advice and work on some of those points that you made. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you like what you see, please do me the honor of hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell at the end of the video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the properties of each butter and oil that I use in my recipe. And I'm also going to talk a little bit about the colors and the additives that I will be using in this recipe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Coconut oil is an excellent emollient. It is also naturally anti-inflammatory, naturally antibacterial, and antioxidant rich. Next up, I will have olive oil and castor oil in the soap. Olive oil is deeply moisturizing, it reduces wrinkles, it increases skin elasticity, and it will enhance the exfoliating nature of the soap. Castor oil is rich in protein and essential fatty acids. It penetrates deep in the skin and it helps to soften and hydrate the skin. I like to think of shea butter as the star of this soap. It's highly moisturizing. It's rich in vitamins E, A, and F. It protects skin against free radicals. It's great for eczema and psoriasis, and it softens and restores skin elasticity. Today I'm going to be using green vibrance mica, titanium dioxide, yellow vibrance mica, coconut lime verbena scent, green vibrance sea salt, poppy seeds, and yellow vibrant sea salt. Now I have everything melted down and combined into one bowl. I have my lye solution mixed up and everything is cooled to room temperature. I'm going to add my titanium dioxide to my lye solution and get it mixed up and get this party started. Here I am adding the fragrance oil, and I wish you guys could smell this. It smells just like a tropical breeze up in here. Now I am splitting off the main batch into 3 separate batches. The white one will have the poppy seeds, and then the other 2 will be colored with the green vibrance mica and the yellow vibrance mica. Now I am ready to pour everything into the mold. I will be doing layers, and as you watch, you will see that I am quite impatient. I did not allow each layer to set up before I poured the next layer. So the lines are not going to be nearly as crisp as I wanted them to be, but I'm still happy with the way that the soap turned out in the end. Now I'm just going to take the spoon and make a little bit of texture on the top of the soap. I'm not trying to do too much. I just want a little bit of a mound down the middle of the soap for the sea salts and the poppy seeds that I will sprinkle on top. I got this idea for the colored sea salts from Katie over at Royalty Soaps. I love watching her channel. She has some creative ideas, and I love how she shares her story. It has been just over 24 hours, and I am back to cut the soap. I turn it on its side like this so that the sea salts don't drag through the soap when I press down and make the cuts. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching the making of Coconut Lime Verbena. If you like what you saw, please do me the honor of clicking that cute little face to subscribe, and don't forget to ring my bell to get notified every time I post a new video. If you are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, you can find me at Gifted Hands Artisan Soap. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!